Hello everyone, today we will unpack Urbanista Stockholm Plus earphones. I ordered this on 23rd of September 2020, so it's quite new. And I will start with unpacking the package, and then I will show you what the package contains. So let's see what the package contains. As I mentioned, I ordered Stockholm Plus true wireless earphones by Urbanista, and I picked black color, and I will now open the packet and show you the contents. Opening, guys, I discovered something that I would like to share with you. Of course, this is an advanced version of Stockholm. That's why they call it Stockholm Plus. The previous version had 16 hours of playtime, but this one has 20 plus hours of playtime. And it has an advanced noise cancellation, according to some reviews I have seen on YouTube. And that's why it has advancements on the previous Stockholm. And due to my conversation with some tech geeks, I learned that the Stockholm, the original version of Stockholm had some problems due to noise cancellation, but this one has better upgrades, and hopefully this will be a better earphone. The thing, yeah, I just seen that, I mean, the shipment comes from Germany, but of course it is designed by Sweden and made in China. So as I mentioned, I have picked the black color. It's called Midnight Black. It's gray metallish black, actually. That's why maybe they call it Midnight Black. So let's unpack this first. So I open this, and the package contains 2 earphones and a carriage and charging station all together, along with a cable inside underneath of this package. So if we lift this up, this is the cable. Inside this package is the USB-C cable, and this is the user manual. So this completes our unpacking Urbanista Stockholm Plus true wireless earplugs. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope all of us enjoy our earphones. That's it, guys. I will be back after a few days. I will do some tests and let you know about my experience with Urbanista Stockholm Plus. That's it, guys. Bye bye. As you see, the small box, it will be used as a charging station as well as the carriage case. So you will be charging your earphones by using this charging station and connecting the cable that comes with the package over here. And guys, this is the cable that came out of this small package, and I have seen also on YouTube that several critics has been made on this small USB-C cable, because it's really small. I mean, it's around 10 centimeters, or like 7 inches or less. It's really short.